Hello, and thank you for visiting our channel. Today, we're making an adorable shadow box, featuring a teddy bear with balloons. It's perfect to celebrate a baby's arrival. You can customize it with your favorite colors, for a girl or a boy. Add the baby's name, date of birth, or any text you like. It's easy to personalize in your preferred cutting software. Our download includes files in SVG and Studio formats. The template is designed for an 8x8-inch size, but you can resize it if you wish. For this tutorial, I'll be personalizing in Cricut Design Space. Once the SVG file is uploaded, ungroup the layers. Select the layer with the two curved lines, and we'll start editing. Add your text. For the top line, type the name Oliver. For the bottom line, type the date of birth. Apply a curve of 7 to the top line. And a curve of -7 to the bottom line. For this project, I'm using the Amaranth font, available free on Google Fonts. Set the font size to 100. Select both text layers and the curved line frame, then choose Align Center. Ungroup the texts so you can adjust each letter individually. Once the letters are positioned perfectly, select everything and weld. If needed, click Undo to fix any small details. Now the project is ready to cut. Here's a quick preview of the finished design. This project has 8 layers in total. 5 square frames with the balloons and personalization, and the teddy bear made up of 3 layers. Recommendations: use 80-pound cardstock, a cutting mat with good adhesion, and a sharp blade. Once all layers are cut, it's time to assemble. First, glue the 3 teddy bear layers together. Then attach the teddy bear to frame number 2 using double-sided tape. And that's it, our project is complete. Here's how it looks inside a shadow box frame. Please note, the frame is not included in this download and is not part of the project. This shadow box frame with spacers is a separate product in our shop. We also have a full cutting and assembly tutorial for it. You'll find the link to the shadow box frame video in the description. And if you'd like to use our frame template, it's available in our shop, Exodus 31 Designs. Follow us and turn on notifications to see more personalization projects. Add your own creative touch and impress everyone with beautiful paper crafts. Using the cut files we'll keep creating for you.